1/3 divided by 1.25. Now let's determine this value. 100 times area of manual reinforcement over BD. It will be equal to 100 times area of manual reinforcement. Area of manual reinforcement was this one, was 290 over BD, which is 1,100 times 1,000 times 254. It will be equal to 1 times 2 divided by 1,000 times 254. It will be equal to 0.82. This should be less than 3, so it is okay. Now let's determine the value of 400 divided by effective depth. 400 over 254, it will be equal to 400 divided by 254. It will be equal to 1.57. This should be greater than 1. This should be greater than or equal to 1. So it is greater than 1. It is okay. Now let's substitute so as to obtain the concrete shear stress. So it will be equal to 0.79 times this value, which is 0.82 per 1/3 times 1.57 per 1/4 times FCU. FCU was 30 over 2 over 25 per 1/3 divided by 125. Complete shear stress. So when you compute this value, it will be equal to 0.79 times 0.82 per 1/3 times 1.57 per 1/4 times 25 per 1/3 divided by 1.25. It will be equal to 0.7. So this is Newton per millimeter square. Now, the shear stress for the steam was 0.29. This is less than 0.70 for concrete shear stress. So, since shear stress of steam is less than concrete shear stress, hence no shear reinforcement required for the steam. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more civil engineering tutorials.